Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing Forex channel trading. Okay, channel trading is a simple and effective way to trade markets that are moving sideways. All right, markets that are moving sideways. So a channel forms when price moves between two parallel lines. When you have price moving between two parallel lines, it's called a channel. All right, a support level at the bottom and a resistance level at the top. So think of it like a bouncing ball, right? Price goes up, hits resistance, comes down, hits support, and repeats the pattern, right? So traders use this behavior to their advantage. When price reaches the bottom of the channel, which is the support, they look for buying opportunities. When price reaches the top, which is the resistance, they look for selling opportunities. So this works best when the market is not trending strongly, what we call a range bound market. All right. However, channels don't last forever. Eventually, price will break out, right? Price will break out eventually at some point, you know, could be above the resistance or below the support. So that is the reason why traders must stay at alert. Traders must stay alert, right? A breakout can signal the start of a new trend. To improve accuracy, traders often combine channels with indicators like the RSI, for example, or to just look for candlestick confirmations before entering a trade. Okay, it's always good to get confirmations before entering a trade. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.